If your Fire Stick apps are dead, blocked, or just stopped working, you do not need to waste hours searching random websites. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I'm going to give you the best downloader code to use in 2026. It is always updated, packed with free apps, and it is the fastest way to replace broken apps with the latest versions and newest releases. Here it is, downloader code 28907. And in the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to use it the right way. This code gives you access to a full library of apps that are kept up to date, so you are not stuck installing old versions that break after a week. It is perfect if you want to replace apps that stopped working, find alternatives when something disappears, get newer versions faster, and discover brand new releases without hunting around. Step 1. Make sure you have the Downloader app. From the Fire TV home screen, go to Find, then Search. Type Downloader, download the orange app, and open it. Now, depending on your version, you might see the new number pad button. If you do, just tap that and enter 28907. If you do not see it, no problem. Just use the URL box, then hit Go. This takes you straight to our page. To prevent bot attacks from slowing things down for real users, you will quickly need to generate a token. Just follow the easy instructions on screen to get your free token. It only takes a few seconds, and that gives you full access to the downloads page for 30 minutes completely free. You will then see a list of download categories. Select any category you are interested in, then choose an app from the list. If you want more information about an app before installing it, select the info link next to the app icon. To install the app, scroll down until you see the light blue download button and select it. Now, here is a quick tip for you. If clicking the blue download button gets stuck on connecting or any other error, try the backup download link instead, just underneath. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once the app finishes installing, select Done, then select Delete and confirm Delete again. This removes the installation file and frees up valuable storage space on your Fire TV. You can now find the new app in your app screen and start using it right away. One of the reasons this is the best downloader code is because it is built around keeping apps up to date, with the latest versions, newest releases, and working links. If an app ever has an issue, the fastest way to get it fixed is simple. Go to that exact app's download page and click the report button. That report goes straight to the right place for that specific app, so it can be corrected quickly. So that is it. The best downloader code in 2026 is 28907. If your old apps stopped working, got replaced, or just are not reliable anymore, this is the fastest way to get fresh alternatives, new releases, and updated versions without hunting all over the internet. Thank you for tuning in to TechVibes. If this video helped you out today, please make sure to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Leave a comment down below to let us know which app you are installing first. We will see you in the next one.